Hi, my name is Kseniia Guseva. I'm also known as Femi Stitch and I'm an embroidery artist. First of all, how to properly wash embroidery. The best way for embroidery to wash it is to put it in soapy water for 20 minutes. You do it by hand, and if you have dirty places on your garment, you can make a little rubbing, but it's better if you don't rub the embroidery directly. Then rinse with clear water and let it dry. This is embroidery that I washed once in a washing machine. It looks good, it doesn't have pellets or fibers going out, but you can use a few of precautions. First of all, you take it backwards, so the back side would be like the front side, and you put it in a laundry bag if you want to be more delicate. The next I'm going to show you two cotton bags. This is a cotton bag that I've been using for 1.5 years, and I don't wash it by hand, I always use a washing machine. You can see there is some fibers, a little bit fraying, and a few pellets. This is a bag that I just embroidered, you can say, like a few weeks ago. I did only a hand wash. This is a t-shirt I made 2 years ago, and I only use the washing machine and I wear it a lot because it's like my favorite t-shirt. As you can see, the pellets appear on the t-shirt and on the thread. The clothes usually gets old along with embroidery. So to make your embroidery more durable, make sure that you wash it properly. If you can, use laundry bag or do hand washing, but washing machine is okay too. It just doesn't keep it alive so long as you might want it. There is also some recommendation on how to iron the embroidery. You don't iron directly the thread from the front side. You iron from the back side, and it's better if you put some cloth or fabric over it. Now you know everything you should to wear embroidered clothes, to care for them, and to make sure they will be durable and will be with you for a long time. If you want to find out more about me and my process and what to do with embroidered design, join my Domestika course through the link below.